Yes, exercise 12.1, question number 3. It is your RC target. First is your gold score region, after that red score region, after that blue score region, black score region, and after that white score region. Okay? Yes. Now the diameter of gold score region is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Okay? Yes. And the width of this is the width, and this width is 10.5 centimeter.
10.5 centimeter.
This is also 10.5 centimeter. This is also 10.5 centimeter. Okay? And next one is your white, that is also 10.5 centimeter. Yes. Now please tell me that what is the radius of gold score region?
Sir, 10.5.
10.5. Okay? Yes.
10.5.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes, coming. Yes. Your red score region is this. This is your red. Only red this. Okay?
Yes.
This is your red.
Then blue.
And this is your black. This is your black. Okay? This is your blue.
Sir, it's purple.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes. And it is your gold.
Yellow, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It is your gold. It is your gold. Okay?
Yes.
ये पूरा गोल्ड है तो सर्कल बन रहा पूरा क्या है सर्कल ही ना
Yes.
ठीक है
Yes.
ओके यस यस रेडियस ऑफ गोल्ड स्कोर रीजन रेडियस ऑफ गोल्ड स्कोर रीजन
21/2.
gold score region that is 21 by
2.
that is 10.5 centimeter. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes Subham, how can we find out the area of gold score region that is totally a circle? Pi r square, very good. You know, area of a gold score region. Okay? Yes. Pi r square. And the value of pi is given or not? 22 by 7? Yes. That is 22 by 7. Okay. And this is 21 by 2. And it is 21 by 2. Okay? Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
And area will be in centimeter square. Area will be in
Sir,
yes.
sir, here that you have written is 21 by 2.
Yes.
So why you written 21 by 2? It should be 10.5 by 2.
10.5 is equal to 21 by 2, same as it is. Yes, 21 by 2 and 10.5 same as it is. That is 21 by 2 and 10.5 is same as it is. Okay. If I will return 10.5, I will change into decimal, that will convert into 21 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, please solve it. That is centimeter square. 7 1 are 7, 7 3 are 21, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 11.
33 into 21/2. Yes, sir.
Okay? Yes. 33 into
21
21 divided by 2. Please tell me the answer.
693 by
6 single
693 by
693
by
693 point
2. 6 upon 2.
upon 2. Please divide it. Divide it centimeter square and
2 3s are 6. 346.5.
346.5 centimeters square. Okay.
Yes.
Any doubt, any problem up to here?
No sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Any doubt, any problems? No problems. Anshika Bhatt and Priya Tiwari, only 2 students taking interest in online class. Remaining students, please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Any doubt, any problems? Rinki, Akash Pal, Priya Tiwari, Anshika Bhatt, Vishesh Pal, Asmit Moria. Any doubt, any
No,
problems?
sir. No, sir.
No problem? Okay, yes. Now we have to find out the area of gold score region. Yes, only gold.
Only gold sir.
Only gold score region. Yes, listen.
Sir, but here in the question, it's written area of all the 5 schools.
So
it would be same, right? Because
Listen. Listen. Pin of silence. It is your center.
Yes.
Yes.
10.5 plus
Swasti.
10.5.
Kasesh, pin of silence. Listen to me. Yes. It is the radius is 10.5. Okay.
Yes.
Radius is 10.5. Yes. And this width is 10.5. 10.5. Yes. Please tell me the radius of
21.
gold plus red score region.
21 centimeter.
21 centimeters.
ये देखो यहाँ पे देखिए गोल्ड स्कोर रीजन आपके पास यहाँ पे ये और ये क्या रेडियस जो है वो किसकी है आपके पास गोल्ड की 10.5 है, रेड है 10.5. तो रेडियस ऑफ गोल्ड प्लस रेड स्कोर रीजन 21 centimeter. 10.5 plus 10.5 that is 21 centimeter. Any doubt, any problems? Okay.
No, sir.
Yes. Now first of all we will find out the area of gold plus red score region.
Yes.
गोल्ड प्लस रेड स्कोर रीजन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सेंटर जो है ये यहाँ पे है. अगर इसका मैं एरिया निकालते हैं रेडियस में 21 सेंटीमीटर लेता हूँ तो इट मींस द एरिया ऑफ गोल्ड प्लस रेड स्कोर रीजन.
Yes.
And if I will subtract the area of gold score region, then the area of red score region will be left out. Okay? Any doubt, any problems?
No sir.
Clear?
No, sir.
Yes. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, गोल्ड और रेड का निकालेंगे, उसमें से गोल्ड को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास सिर्फ रेड का बचेगा. ओके?
Yes.
Any doubt, any problems?
Okay.
Yes. Now I am written such as area of red score region. Area of red score region. Area of red score region.
31.
Red score region. Score region. Okay? Yes. By 21. 21 means area of gold plus red.
Red.
Minus
Gold.
एरिया ऑफ गोल्ड. गोल्ड की रेडियस कितनी है हमारे पास 21/2.
10.5.
यस वी हैव ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट इट. हम इसको ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं. दोबारा फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है इसको. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Value of pi is 22 by 7 and that is 21 into 21 and that this is 346.6. अभी 346.5 कहाँ से आई?
Sir,
So because it's the area of all square.
वो फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी.
sir, here you have written pi 21 to the whole square. Sir, 21 diameter है हमारा. तो वहाँ पे pi r square है ना?
लिसन ये 21 जो है ये रेडियस है किसकी है? 21 जो रेडियस है गोल्ड प्लस रेड की यहाँ तक की रेडियस है.
Yes, sir.
अब समझ में आ गया? इसमें से मैंने इसको माइनस कर दिया. दिस इज सबट्रैक्टेड. दिस पोर्शन गोल्ड इज सबट्रैक्टेड. सो रेड विल बी लेफ्ट. ओके. रेड विल बी लेफ्ट आउट. ओके. यस प्लीज सॉल्व इट. 7 3 are 21. 7 1 are 7, 7 3 are 21, that is 66 multiplied 21 minus 346.5. Yes. 1039.5 minus 300.
Sir, it is the final answer.
Final answer.
It would be 1386 minus 346.
Yes. And 66 into 21. 1300 minus 346.5 centimeter square and it becomes 1039.5 centimeter square. Okay. Ain't out any problems?
No.
Ain't out any problems?
No.
Yes. Screen is shared? Screen is shared or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Whose pics you are observing? Student, listen to me. Those who are attending online class, please complete your notebook. When you will come in the school, please submit your notebook to the respective subject teacher. They will check your notebook if you have completed or not. Okay? So please complete your notebook. Yes. Now, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No problems?
No.
Okay. Now next we have to find out the blue score region. Blue score region. We will tell. We will tell how can we find out the blue score region. And as you know that the blue score region is ये portion आपका blue score region. This is the blue score region. And your center is this. We will take the radius from the center.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we'll firstly add all the first three radiuses and then we'll subtract the radius of gold and red.
Very good. Very good. Sit down. We will add this is the radius of gold, that is 10.5, and the width of red is 10.5 and width of blue is 10.5. So the radius of gold plus red plus blue 10.5 10.5 10.5 31.5. Okay. After that we will subtract the area of gold and red.
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
You're right.
Okay. Then you will find out the area of blue score region. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do it. Yes. Now area of blue score region. Blue score region. Okay. pi, that is 31.5.
Yes, sir.
10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5.
21.5.
Okay. Radius of gold plus width of red plus width of blue. That is 21.5.
Minus 21.
Okay. Minus 21. And pi, that is 22 by 7. It becomes 10. 315 divided by 10. And we have already found out the value of pi 21 square. That is 1369.
1039.5.
इसे कितना था यहाँ पे?
So this so
1386. 1089.5. 1386. 1386.
1386. 1386.
86.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Please solve it. 7 4s are 28.
so it will be
7 5s are.
3118.
Yes. Please solve it, and you will find out. Yes.
3118.5.
3100. 18.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Now subtract 1386.
1732.5.
Yes. 1000.
732.5.
1700.
32.5.
32.5. Okay, very good. Yes. Any doubt, any problems?
You put up last. Everyone.
Yes. Have you any problem, any doubt?
No.
Any problem, any doubt up to here? Please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera. Yes. Priya, Vishesh Pal, Akash Pal, Hartika Singh, Gyanendra Pratap Singh, Rinki, Anshika Bhatt. Please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera. Okay. Any doubt, any problems? Can you find out the remaining region of black and white? Can you find out?
Yes.
Yes. Can you find out the remaining region of black and white?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. May I proceed to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now question number 4 is the wheels of a car of diameter 80 centimeter each. ठीक है, जो व्हील्स ऑफ कार है उसका डायमीटर है 80 सेंटीमीटर, रेडियस विल बी 40 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, वेरी गुड. हाउ मेनी कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन डज ईच व्हील मेक इन 10 मिनट्स? ओके, 10 मिनट्स में कितने रेवोल्यूशन लगेंगे? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. While the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour.
Sir, firstly
Yes.
we have to convert the values.
Yes. Yes. So, ma'am, what is the meaning of 66 kilometer per hour?
The vehicle speed is
What is the meaning of 66 kilometer per hour?
the vehicle is in speed of it travels 66 kilometer in 1 speed 66 kilometer per hour means it travels 66 kilometer in 1 hour.
Very good. In 1 hour, how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Distance covered is 66 kilometer.
Kilometers.
we have to convert the kilometer into
No sir, we have to convert centimeter into kilometer.
okay, listen to me. Listen to me. To discuss the
So why
this question, first of all we'll discuss that first the unit is kilometer. Listen to me. Listen. Kashish, listen. Kilometer. After that किलोमीटर के बाद क्या आता है?
Sir, meter.
हेक्टोमीटर.
Sir, you were asking this case.
Yes. किलोमीटर के बाद क्या आता है?
Decameter. Hectometer के बाद decameter.
Decameter. Okay. After that
Meter.
meter. After that
Decimeter.
decimeter. After that
Centimeter.
centimeter. And after
Then
that
millimeter.
okay. Now we will convert the kilometer into hectometer. How can we convert the kilometer into hectometer?
1 by
Sir, we'll divide.
Multiply by 10. Okay. Multiply by 10. We will convert the hectometer into decameter. Multiply by
10.
10. And decameter into meter. Multiply by
10.
meter into decimeter. Multiply by 10. And decimeter into centimeter. Multiply by 10. सेंटीमीटर इंटू
10.
मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. अगर हम क्या है इस साइड में जाएंगे तो क्या करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे.
और उस
ओके.
साइड से आएंगे तो डिवाइड.
अगर इस साइड में आएंगे यहाँ पे
1 by 10.
तो
1
डिवाइड.
by 10.
ओके. डिवाइड. डिवाइड बाय 10. यस. If you will convert the kilometer into decameter.
We'll multiply by 100.
Multiply by 100. Yes. Yes. 10 and 10. 100. If you will multiply kilometer into meter, multiply by 1000. And if you will convert the kilometer into centimeter, multiply by 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to power 5. It means 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Okay.
Yes sir.
So why would we need to convert kilometers into centimeters?
Listen. Wait. Yes. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Any doubt, any problem? Gyanendra Pratap Singh. This concept is clear or not? Yes, I will change the kilometer into centimeter. Can you change or not? Can you change?
Yes.
Kilometer to centimeter. Can you change? Okay. Yes. Please note down it. Have you note down?
So we need to note down.
Sir, does it?
Yes.
Have you done? Do it. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now question number 4, please. Diameter of circular wheel is
80 centimeter.
diameter of a circular wheel is 80 centimeter. Radius will be 80 divided by 2,
40 centimeter.
40 centimeter. Circumference of the circle means distance covered by the wheel in one revolution. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Circumference of the circle is equal to distance covered by wheel in one revolution. Okay?
Yes.
Distance covered by wheel in one revolution is equal to circumference of the circle. Okay? Yes. Distance covered by a wheel in one revolution याद रखना सीखो, one revolution is equal to circumference of the circle, circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Okay, yes. Now apply the values, that is 2, but the value of pi 22 by 7 and the radius is 40 centimeter, that is 44 into 40 divided by 7, that is 1760.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
1760 by 7 centimeter. Distance covered by wheel in one revolution is 1760 by 7. Okay. One 1760 by 7. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Sir, it's in centimeter.
Centimeter. Yes, centimeter. Yes, Anu Kumari, Srini, Aditya Singh. Any doubt? Subham, Pio Singh. Any doubt, any problems? Sanjara Sariko? Yes. Now, the speed of the wheel is, the speed of the car is 66 kilometer per hour. Okay. Yes. Distance covered by total distance covered in 10 minutes. Please tell me.
So 11 kilometer.
Yes.
11
Total distance, we have to find out the number of revolution covered by the wheel in 10 minutes. Yes. So first of all, we will find out the distance covered by wheel in 10 minutes. In 60 minutes, distance covered by wheel is 66 km. What is the distance covered by wheel in 10 minutes? Yes. And एक कंडीशन ये है कि in one revolution distance covered by wheel is 1760 by 7 centimeter. ये रेशो में यूज होगा, ठीक है? अब distance covered by wheel in 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, that is 66 kilometer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Please convert kilometer into centimeter.
1/10 to the power
Yes,
5.
1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Distance covered by wheel in 1 minute. Unitary method. Distance covered by wheel in 1 minute. क्या करेंगे? Unitary method. Please tell me.
Sir, we'll firstly take for 1 minute divide.
Yes, 66 into 1 lakh divided by 60
60.
centimeter. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
समझा बेटा? समझा रहा सभी को? Yes. कृतिका सिंह, वर्तिका सिंह, अंशिका भट्ट, ज्ञान प्रताप सिंह. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
आकांक्षा सोनी,
No.
आकाश पाल. Am I audible to you? आकाश पाल, कभी कभी क्या है, क्लास में आते हो, स्विच कैमरे को ऑन कर लिया करो. अगर मैं आपके अटेंडेंस यहाँ पे शो कर दूंगा तो आपकी 10% अटेंडेंस मिलेगी मेरे को, ठीक है? अपनी कैमरे को ऑन कीजिए. इट इज हार्डली रिक्वेस्टेड टू यू, प्लीज ज्वाइन द क्लास रेगुलरली. ओके, इट इज बेनिफिट फॉर यू. Now, distance covered by wheel in 10 minutes. What will you do? Multiply by 10. Okay. Distance covered by wheel in 1 minute. 10 minutes. Distance covered by wheel in 10 minutes. Yes. 66 lakh हो गए ना
Yes.
Yes, sir.
into
10
10
upon 6.
upon 60. Yes. It becomes 11 lakh.
Yes, sir.
11 lakh centimeter. Okay. 11 lakh सेंटीमीटर. अब बताइए क्या करें. रिलेशन ये है कि one revolution we will cover the distance 1760 by 7 centimeter. And what is the number of revolution covered in 11 lakh centimeter? Okay. Yes. I will written such as number of revolution covered in 1760 by 7 centimeter is equal to 1. Yes. Number of revolution covered in 1 centimeter, 1 by divide, and this is multiplied. Okay.
27 by 7.
Okay. Yes. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
यहाँ पे चेक कीजिए. ये जो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड है, ये डिस्टेंस, ये 1 रेवोल्यूशन की कवर्ड. तो इट मींस in 1760 by 7 centimeter we will complete the 1 revolution. Okay. And in 11 lakh how many revolution we will complete? We have to find out. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Have you done up to here? Yes. Have you done? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now listen to me. May I raise it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now number of revolution covered in revolution covered in 1760 by 7 centimeter is equal to 1 revolution. Is equal to 1 revolution. Yes. Unitary method we will apply. Number of revolution covered in 1 centimeter. In 1 centimeter distance should be less. For less we will divide it. Okay. Yes. That is 1 by 1760 divided by 7. That will be equal to 7 by 1760 revolution. Okay. Yes. Now distance number of revolution covered in 11 lakh centimeter. Total distance is 11 lakh centimeter. Distance covered in the number of revolution covered in yes number of revolution
7 upon 1.
number of revolution in
into
11 lakh centimeter. 11 lakh centimeter. Yes. Yes. Revolution. Okay. Yes. 7. 11. Okay. Yes. It means 7 same as it is.
Yes, sir. Yes.
7 as it is.
11.
16.
16, sir.
11 ones are 11. 5 zeros. And 11 ones are 11. 11 sixes are. It becomes 16. 16 sixes are 96. 40.
Yes, sir. 1 0 was cut out.
So 1 0 has been cancelled out here. and here is 40. Okay, yes,
Then
40.
sir, it is
16 6 are
96.
96.
625.
Okay, 625. Okay, now 7 into 625 revolution.
4375.
Revolution, that is
4375.
4375. Okay, 4375 revolution. कैसा लगा क्वेश्चन?
Completed. Yes, sir.
रवि,
Easy.
कैसा लगा क्वेश्चन आपको? My next topic is segment of a circle. Segment of a circle. Sector. First sector. Sector of the circle. Okay. Yes, first sector of the circle. Sector of a circle. Please try to understand it. It is the main topic of this chapter. Sector and segment of the circle is the main topic of this chapter. Okay? Yes. First, please try to understand what is sector, what is segment. Okay? Yes. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. This is the center of the circle. O. Okay? Yes. This is the radius A, and this is also the radius B. Okay? Yes? And this is point C and this is point B. ठीक है? ये सर. This is the arc.
ACB.
This is the arc. ये arc है. क्या है arc?
AB.
ठीक है? ये arc है.
Minor arc.
ओके. तो ये क्या है?
Major
ये भी तो arc है. लेकिन इनका नाम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट है.
Major
ठीक है? आपके पास क्या है? जो मैंने येलो कलर से ड्रॉ की है ये आपके पास मेजर आर्क है, और जो मैंने रेड कलर से ड्रॉ की है ये आपके पास माइनर आर्क. क्या है? माइनर आर्क. ओके, दिस इज योर मेजर आर्क. मेजर आर्क एंड दिस इज योर
Minor arc.
minor arc. Minor arc. Okay? Yes. ये आपके पास क्या है? रेडियस है. एक रेडियस ये है.
OA and O.
OA और एक रेडियस आपके पास ये है. अगर जब दो रेडियस दो या टू एंड मोर देन अगर टू रेडियस की मैं बात करूंगा तो बोलूंगा रेडियाई. रेडियाई. Radii is the plural of radius. Okay? Radii is the plural of a radius. तो ये जो पोर्शन है आपके पास ये पोर्शन.
Minor segment. Minor sector.
Yes. The region bounded by radii of the circle and minor arc of the circle is called minor sector of the circle. That is minor sector. अब समझा रहे सभी को?
Yes, sir.
The region bounded by radii of the circle and minor arc of the circle is called minor sector of the circle. Minor sector of the circle. Definition लिखो ना इसकी.
No.
Definition की जरूरत है?
No, sir.
डेफिनेशन आती नहीं है, बता देता हूं मैं आपको यहाँ पे. ओके, यस. द रीजन बाउंडेड बाय मेजर आर्क एंड रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज कॉल्ड मेजर आर्क.
Major sector. Major sector.
द रीजन बाउंडेड बाय मेजर आर्क एंड रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इज कॉल्ड major sector, major sector, it is your major sector. Okay, yes, it is your major sector, it is your major sector. Okay, this is your major sector, this is your major sector, major sector of the circle, major sector of the circle, major sector of the circle, that is minor sector of the circle, of the circle. किसी को कोई डाउट माइनर और मेजर सेक्टर में?
No, sir.
समझ में आ गया?
No, sir.
नो सर, समझ में आया कि नहीं है? पहले बताइए समझ में आया कि नहीं है? वर्तिका सिंह,
Yes, sir, I will.
Vartika Singh, please tell me that what is minor sector? Please define.
Center and circumference of minor section is known as minor section.
Yes, listen to me. The region bounded by minor arc and radii of circle is called minor sector. The region bounded by major arc and radii of circle is called major sector. Okay, minor arc and major arc, minor arc and radii minor sector, major arc and two radii major sector.
Major sectors.
Okay, any doubt, any problems? Any doubt?
No.
Okay, yes, next is, may I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now area of sector, area of sector.
Theta upon 360.
Yes, listen to me. It is your circle. This is the center. It is the radius. And that is A, that is your B, that is your C, this is your D. This is theta. And this is radius R, and this is also the radius. Okay, theta, this is the angle theta, and complete angle is of 360 degree, and area of circle is pi r square. Okay, we have to find out the area of this portion. हमें क्या करना है, इस पोर्शन का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई आर स्क्वायर निकालोगे तो कंप्लीट का आएगा. यस, लेकिन हमें इस पोर्शन का निकालना है. थीटा बाय 360 करो. थीटा बाय 360 करते ही
into pi r square.
यार थीटा बाय 360, अगर थीटा बाय 360 करता हूं तो मैं इस पोर्शन का कर रहा हूं, इस पोर्शन. यस, तो यहाँ पे क्या, थीटा बाय 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई आर स्क्वायर कंप्लीट एरिया, जो एरिया है उसका सर्कल है, एंड थीटा बाय 360 करते ही यहाँ पे क्या एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर की बात हो जाती है.
सर यहाँ पे थीटा बाई 360 हम अंदर वाले के क्यों कर रहे हैं?
अंदर वाले के कर रहा हूँ.
क्यों कर रहे हैं?
So minor.
लिसन, क्योंकि मैं थीटा तो कंसीडर कर रखा हूँ, थीटा सिर्फ ये कंसीडर कर रखा है. थीटा का ये तो है. यस, इफेक्ट निकाल दूंगा.
Yes.
ठीक है, अगर आपने क्या करना है, एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर लिखिए यहाँ पे. एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर थोड़ा चेंज कीजिए इसको, कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे. एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर OACBO. ओके, अब क्लियर है?
सर इतना नाम क्यों दिया है? एक नाम
ये क्या है, बिल्कुल उसको एग्जैक्ट क्या डिफाइन कर रहा है कि OACBO कौन सा एरिया है. उसको डिफाइन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना। अब देखिए, नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ, there are two methods to find the area of major sector. Area of major sector. Yes. First method is, this is your angle theta
Yes, sir.
and complete angle is 360 degree.
360 minus 3.
This is your theta and this the remaining angle will be, please tell me.
360 minus theta.
360 minus theta, then reflex angle.
360 minus
360 minus theta. Okay. 360 minus
Theta.
theta. Now area of major sector OADBO. Area of major sector. Area of major sector. Major sector OADBO. 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 यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, यस, थीटा बाई 360 माइनस थीटा बाई 360 इंटू पाई आर, एंगल चेंज कर लेंगे। ओके, समझ में आया बेटा?
Sir, इसका derivation क्या है?
फॉर्मूला मुझे डेरिवेशन
यस। अब देखिए यहाँ पे सेकंड क्या है, सेकंड तरीका यहाँ से निकालने का क्या है, एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर। लिसन टू मी, इस कंप्लीट क्या है सर्कल का एरिया फाइंड आउट कर दीजिए, उसमें से क्या है एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर माइनस कर दो, आपके पास एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर आ सकता है। इस तरीका ये भी
Sir, ये 360 डिग्री नहीं है।
क्या अच्छा
Sir, ये जो 360 है थीटा अपॉन 360।
यहाँ पे
Yes, sir, ये डिग्री में नहीं है।
360 माइनस थीटा
Yes, sir.
डिग्री है,
डिग्री में है।
90 डिग्री 60 डिग्री एंगल है ना, तो एंगल का डिग्री में आएगा ना। यस, एंगल जो है डिग्री में आएगा। यहाँ पे रेडियंस है वो आगे बात चेंज होगा, मिनट्स में आएगा, वो 11th क्लास में पढ़ेंगे। ये थीटा जो है डिग्री में आएगा आपके यहाँ पे, ठीक है। अब देखिए यहाँ पे एक सेकंड मेथड है यहाँ पे निकालने का इसका, और एरिया ऑफ
Whole circle minus minus.
एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर, एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर OADBO, ओके, OADBO ऊपर से बोल के आया हूँ, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल, एरिया ऑफ ए सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर, एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर, माइनर सेक्टर, एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर OAC BO OACBO। Any doubt, any problems? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
yes